Hello, myself Baldevram Mali, lecturer Computer Science and Engineering, Government Polytechnic College Jodhpur. Topic of my e-lecture is Features of Unix Operating System. Subject code CS303. In this e-lecture, we discuss the important features of Unix operating system. First feature of Unix operating system is multi-user. A multi-user operating system allows more than one users to share the same computer at the same time. In Unix operating system, many users can work at the same time. Each user has its own login ID and password, so many users can log in at the same time. Files and work of each user is separately maintained by the Unix operating system, so that one user cannot see or remove the work of another user. Next feature of Unix operating system is multitasking. In multitasking operating system, more than one program can be run by a user at a time. That means a single user can run multiple processes at the same time. In Unix, one process is executed in foreground and remaining processes are running in background. The main concept of multitasking is maximize the utilization of CPU resources. The next important feature is open system. The Unix is a open source code, that is any user can modify Unix open source code according their ideas and requirement, so that the Unix operating system regularly becomes more rich, more features, more programs are added by different users in the world. The next important features of Unix operating system is hierarchical file system. Unix provides a standard file structure in which system files and user files are properly arranged. In Unix operating system, the file structure is like a tree structure. The top directory of file structure is known as the root directory, that is represented by slash. Under the root directory, various standard directories are exist, like slash bin, slash device, slash usr, in this way. Each user in Unix has its own home directory, and work of that user is maintained or stored in its own home directory. The next important features of Unix is shell. Unix provide a special interpreter program which can be used to execute commands of the operating system. Shell is a command interpreter. It accepts the command given by the user, check that commands. If the command is correct, then it transfer to the kernel of Unix operating system for executing that command. If command is incorrect, then display the errors in the command. Shell can be used to do various type of operations like call application program, etc. The next very important feature of Unix is security. Unix is tightly secure operating system. Unix provide the security at various levels using the authentication features like password protection, controlled access to specific files, encryption of data. These are the main techniques to secure the work in Unix operating system. In Unix operating system, each file has the 9 type of access permissions, 3 for users, 3 for group members and 3 for others. Each user has the access permission for reading, writing and executing the file. Next important feature of Unix is portability. The Unix system is written in high level language, mostly in C language, making it easier to read, understand and change the codes of Unix. Therefore, move to other machines also. The code can be changed or compiled on new machine easily. So work done on Unix system is portable. That is very useful for different programmers. The next feature of Unix is pipes and filters. Unix has the facility called pipe and filters, which permit the user to create complex programs from simple programs. Using the pipe, we can connect two or more programs. The output of first program is transferred to second program as an input, and in this way we can flow the results from one program to another program. The Unix provide lot of filter tools like grep, WC, short, unique. By using the filter, user can find out a particular information from a file or a group of files. The next important feature of Unix is pattern matching. The Unix support many pattern matching tools. The first tool is meta characters. In meta characters, mostly asterisk, question mark and brackets are used for creating patterns. By using the pattern, we can apply a single command on multiple files. For example, if we want to remove all the file start with letter P, we can give the single command rm p star. This command delete or remove all the files that start with the letter P. In this way, we can apply the various commands, a single command on multiple files. Unix also has powerful pattern matching tools like grep, which use the regular expression in pattern matching. By using the grep command, we can find information just using a regular expression in command in various files on the basis of various criterias. The next important features of Unix operating system is programming facility. Unix provide the self-programming facility The Shell programming language has all necessary features of a programming language like variables, input output statements, conditional statements, looping statements, various type of operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators. So by using these programming tools, user can create many shell programs or its own commands according to requirement. Next important feature of Unix is system call and libraries. In Unix, a lot of system calls are built in kernel for doing the various kinds of the jobs. All library functions and utilities are written using them. By using these system calls, user can write many functions and utilities according to his requirement. Okay, in this way we discuss the important features of the Unix operating system in detail. Okay, thanks.